Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today marks day one of the Land Cruiser turbo diesel swap. So I've already pulled the motor out of the Mercedes and I'll play some of those clips, and I've done a little bit of prep work on the motor, but the real work starts today. I'm going to pull this guy out of here, and then from there it's basically just start fitting the turbo diesel. So hope you guys enjoy. Look at that. That's a Mercedes OM606 in the Land Cruiser. So we got to fabricate some motor mounts, get the turbo on there. This is the factory Mercedes mount, and I'll just build a custom bucket for that. Easy. I'm gonna start juicing her up. It looks like I probably shed 200 pounds based on my ride height. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video, guys. On the next video, we're going to make the motor mounts and just kind of check some more fitment stuff. I'm trying to get my turbo here so that way we can make sure that clears the shock tower before I weld too much stuff in. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys later.